Hey everybody, I'm Marshall Chipley and welcome back to the Chipley Company Update. It's a beautiful March week here in South Carolina. We're back over at the Westlake subdivision, installing the rest of their utility line. Our grading crew is in the process of cutting in the roads for Westlake subdivision. This is phase 3. And we're utilizing our TopCon GPS system to accomplish this task. The GPS system allows us to cut the dirt for the road in within an inch of final grade. This is extremely accurate. It gives us the accuracy needed to complete the job fast and efficiently. Over the next few weeks, we'll have all the roads cut in to subgrade. We'll be continuing on with the water line, the sewer line, and the storm drain. Our crews are working hard right now, and we're going to utilize this good weather that we have coming up. If you'd like to follow the Chipley Company, you can follow us on YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram at the Chipley Company.